Yo, what's going on, everybody? My name is Dylan. You guys are chilling with Dylan, and today I got a brand new unboxing review of these right here. Alrighty guys, so yes, I am back with some more content for you guys. I know it has been a while, but if you are following me and subscribe to the channel, please do. Make sure you guys subscribe if you are new. Also like this video because it really helps out the algorithm as well. Leave your comments down below. Make sure you'll let me know what you guys think about this sneaker that we're going to unbox today. But if you are following me, you do know that I post a ton of shorts over on my channel. So no matter what, there will be content on the channel on a daily basis. I post shorts multiple times a day. Just make sure you guys are subscribing so you stay in the know on what I'm posting, and also the sneaker community and sneaker culture in general. Alright guys, so let's get right into it. This is one of my most recent pickups. If you did, like I said, follow my shorts, you do know that I did a little pickup video of these right here. But it is the Palomino Air Jordan 1s. You can tell right from the box right away. Not the spoiler or anything, but this box, I know that there's plenty of unboxings already out there. So this box kind of gives it away right here. You got the all over the regular standard Nike Air Jordan 1 box, but you do have gold right here instead of that classic red. So really cool. Obviously, I did get my size in this, a true to size for Air Jordan 1, which is 11.5. And then once you open up the box, guys, you do get greeted by these guys right here. So it is the Palomino Air Jordan 1s. Some people are calling these things the Mocha, reverse Mocha, or the Mocha 2.0s. Well, I know that that's kind of played out, right? So I'm not going to go ahead and say these things are the reverse Mochas or the Mocha 2.0s. But it is a really solid colorway, and I'm a huge fan of this colorway. Personally, I'm not a big fan of, like, you know, generally black colored sneakers. Like, if I'm getting my Air Jordan 1s, which are my favorite Jordan model, I prefer to have the white, right? So I like the white mid panel right here, and then you have that color, like mostly like the taxis, or the actually I have them right up here, the taxis right here, you can probably see, or maybe even the obsidian ones, but just the mid panel right here. I like the white here, and I mean, like the toe can be black, and the ankle color can be black, and whatever, but I do prefer the mid panel to be white. However, on this shoe, I really don't mind it because this Palomino brown color is really nice. And personally, obviously, I do probably prefer the Mochas a little bit better, like I was saying, because I prefer a more white silhouette sneaker. But as far as the actual brown itself, I do think I actually prefer this brown over the Mochas. But you'll have to let me know what you guys think down below. Also, just for a quick little comparison here, I did throw in a set of sail laces in these guys. So let me know, please, what you guys think down below. What do you guys would rather rock on your Palomino Air Jordan 1s? Do you guys prefer the black that comes standard with the shoes, or do you prefer that sail, cream, oatmeal type of color right there? I'm actually torn. I really don't know what's better. I honestly think I've been digging the sail a little bit more. But yeah, so let me know what you guys think down below, what you prefer. But for this review, guys, I am going to be using the one with the black laces, just because that's how your Jordans are going to come. They're not going to come with a sail or extra set of laces at all. I would actually have liked to prefer like a sail or a white, or even a Palomino brown to try to match the shoe. But nonetheless, we did not get any extra set of laces. So other than that, let's head into this review. Alrighty guys, so yes, we do have the Palomino Air Jordan 1s, right? So you're gonna have the black around the toe guard right here, that really nice Palomino, like suede, nubuck, not really too sure what it is. You do get that like color shifting effect when you rub your finger across it. Really nice materials. The black is super soft. You get it all along the mid guard right here. You got that Palomino swoosh. You got the Air Jordan Wings logo in black. Really like how that came out with that Palomino as well. Going around the back, you're obviously going to get that classic bread color blocking. So you get the Palomino brown around the back heel as well. Obviously, you got the Palomino on the toe. You got the Palomino on the outsole. Outsole looking real good with that chocolate Palomino brown going on. And then Obviously, you get that hit of sail right here on the midsole. I know some people prefer a clear white midsole. I think in this case, it really works with that nice sail hit. Comes with the black laces. You get the black tongue, obviously, as well. You do have a gold hit for that Nike Air right on the tongue right here. Some people are saying they don't like the gold. Preferably, I honestly don't even mind. I mean, if it was, you know, that Palomino brown, it would probably go a little bit better. But it gives a little pop of color. And honestly, if you're going to be wearing pants, you're not even going to see that anyway. But with shorts, you will see it. So you could probably try to match some outfits. Throw some gold accents or whatever the case may be. But yeah, no, cool little touch with that gold on the tongue right here. Now, I do have to say, I was able to get a double up of these things. And my pairs, honestly, really good quality control. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell. I barely had any glue stains, like, whatsoever on this pair right here. I mean, really good quality control. You can even tell on here as well. Super, super happy that I was able to get some really clean pairs. You'll have to let me know how your pairs turned out. If you did cop, if you were able to grab a pair. Pretty big release. You should have been able to get these things if you did want a pair. But you know what? I think down the line, you know, if you were talking about resale, they probably will increase just a little bit over on the resale market. However, honestly, it's just a really great colorway. If you wanted them, you should have been able to grab them. You know what I mean? It's a perfect fall shoe with that brown, of course. And yeah, I mean, listen, like I said, Travis Scott, the mochas, and all that, so forth. But overall, it's just a really nice looking sneaker. Really good materials, and I'm super glad I was able to cop. Just let me know what you guys think about the Palominos. If you went for them, if you grabbed them, let me know down below in the comments. And that's going to do it for me, guys. So like I said, if you are new around here, please make sure you hit that subscribe. Want to get the channel growing. We just surpassed 730 subscribers. Thank you so much for all of your support. It really does mean a lot to me. I put some time and effort into this channel, and I'm really going to start digging my feet into the ground, really pushing the content over here, really going to get this channel growing. I want to surpass that 1,000 subscriber mark within the next 2 months, and with you guys, I know we can do it. And that's going to do it for me, guys. My name is Dylan. You guys just chill with Dill, me, and the Air Jordan 1 Palominos are out. Peace.